Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm showing you how to play Misplay on emulation on your computer. So if you have BlueStacks, you cannot use Misplay on BlueStacks, but you can use Misplay on LDPlayer. So I'm gonna put in the link on the below. I'll put in the video below. I'll put the link in the description below of LDPlayer for you. The the emulator to install the app Misplay. And if you don't know what Misplay is where you can play other apps. You can play other apps for money. And Misplay is really good. I made a couple videos on it, but that's one of them. So definitely, I'm going to drop the link for LDPlayer. You can download Misplay on here, and it's a really good emulator. I'm going to make a video on why it's a good emulator soon. But this is one of the reasons why LDPlayer is more universally able to use mostly all apps, and it's not recognized as a tablet device. It's recognized as a regular phone device, so that's why you're able to do this. But yeah, we'll wait for it to load up here and then we'll get in. All right, and as you can see, we are on Mispay and we are logged in on the emulator on the computer. So I'm going to put LDPlayer in the link in the description below, and you'll have Misplay on your computer. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.